Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. Kind of quiet here in the Weather Center. It's about 9 o'clock in the evening. Got my pumpkin spice coffee. A little bit of drizzle tonight, but there hasn't been much in the way of rain. It was certainly not stormy like yesterday when all the rain and wind. You look back at the high temps today, nothing too unusual for late October. Mid and upper 50s, topped out at 58 degrees in Providence, and I expect really similar temperatures coming up for the next couple of days. In the meantime, it's a damp evening. Again, there's no heavy rain or storms, but some areas of drizzle and some low clouds, a little bit of fog and some sprinkles. This will continue throughout the evening and overnight. Some steadier showers this week. I'm thinking some light activity, light showers on Wednesday. We're going to bring in precipitation for Thursday and half of Friday. Right now, the early call on Friday is that it rains early in the morning. The sun is back out by Friday afternoon. Halloween, a couple of ups and downs. Well, for one, it's very mild. So we're not looking at cold weather for trick-or-treating Thursday evening. It'll be breezy, but we still have the chance for some light showers on Thursday evening. But unusually mild. In fact, both Thursday and Friday of this week, along with high humidity, it'll be unseasonably mild. Temperatures both days well into the 60s. Low clouds across the area, some drizzle coming in off the ocean. And here's the setup. We have a storm system offshore, and what it's doing is just producing a northeasterly breeze, and it's bringing in some low clouds and some drizzle. In the meantime, the system across the Central Plains up front, some rain and snow behind it, that's not really a factor in our forecast over the next couple of days. Winter out west. I mean, we've got snow right now in the upper plains, and look at these temperatures. These are the temps as of 9 o'clock, and you can see a definite winter chill on the western half of the country. Here in the eastern third, and we're still relatively mild. Now, some of this cooler or colder weather will head our way this weekend, but by the time it gets here, it'll be modified. It won't be 20 degrees, but we should be noticeably cooler come Saturday and Sunday this weekend. And right now the early call is for the weekend to be dry but much cooler. Yeah, snow, pulling out the snow accumulation map, not for here but out across the front range of the Rockies, Denver, Northern Plains, and through parts of the upper Great Lakes, accumulating snow. But that is not a concern for us over the next several days. As we get in real close, we're going to walk the forecast through the overnight. All that day represents low clouds, and there'll be some occasional sprinkles. So this is 7 o'clock in the morning. I think at that time there may be a little bit of mist or some sprinkles at sunrise. As we get later into the morning and throughout the afternoon, any sprinkle activity should diminish, but remaining mostly cloudy and cool. I wouldn't rule out a peak of sun, but it's mainly a cloudy Tuesday. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperatures in the upper 50s. Now, take note, as we get into tomorrow evening, Tuesday evening and Tuesday night, notice how you start to see more speckles of green in which the computer is indicating, this particular computer model, and most of them are indicating a little bit of light rain and drizzle later Tuesday evening, Tuesday night, and that damp weather should spill over into Wednesday. So for tomorrow morning, mostly cloudy, a little bit of mist or some sprinkles early in the morning, starting off in the low 50s, and then during the afternoon, more clouds than sun. Now, I wouldn't rule out a couple of sprinkles. I just think a better part of the afternoon is dry, and temperatures much like today. It looks like the upper 50s. All right, 7-day forecast. Now, Wednesday is not a stormy day by any means, but it is some light showers. Temperatures a little milder at 63. Now, look at both Halloween Thursday and Friday. Very mild, mid and upper 60s. Breezy, and that's the one upside for the trick-or-treaters Thursday evening. It's not terribly cold. In fact, it's warm, with temps in the 60s. Unfortunately, very humid with some scattered light rain showers. Thursday night rain. Now Friday is kind of a half and half day. I think rain in the morning, especially early. I do expect some sunshine though by Friday afternoon, and this sets the stage for dry but noticeably cooler weather for the weekend. We're thinking both Saturday and Sunday daytime highs between 50 and 55, but the nighttime temperatures should be falling into the 30s. Who's ready to get an extra hour of sleep this weekend? It's that time of year. Before you go to bed, late Saturday night, set that clock back 1 hour. So get an extra hour of sleep. But unfortunately, the sunset time starting Sunday will be during the 4 o'clock hour. Compare that to what is it, late June, early July, when the sun sets at around, I don't know, 8:30 in the evening. So, yeah, we changed the clocks this weekend. So, wrapping it up, damp for tonight into early tomorrow morning. Mostly cloudy and mainly dry for Tuesday. Showers Tuesday night, showers Wednesday, into Halloween Thursday, into half of Friday, clearing out Friday afternoon, and then a cool, dry weekend. Of course, another updated forecast coming up on Eyewitness News at 10. And again, on Eyewitness News at 11 o'clock, of course, information is always coming in here to the Weather Center, so do check back. In the meantime, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in, and we'll talk to you soon.